We're turning to weather right now. Florida's governor has declared a state of emergency after all of this heavy rain and the flooding. If you can, come a little closer to your screen this morning. Check this out. Communities across South Florida are swamped with high water, leaving drivers stranded on roads that are just submerged. So let's get over to meteorologist Mariel Ruiz. Mariel, you're tracking all of this. I'll tell you what, my brother-in-law has been stuck out in Fort Lauderdale since yesterday. He can't get on any type of flight.
Yeah, and probably won't for a little while, Cleo, because more rain is on the way. Just take a look at satellite and radar. You can see just an influx of moisture still moving into areas of southern Florida, and that'll continue at least for the next couple of days. I'll show you some of the rain totals here in just a little bit, or the forecast rain totals. But I'm watching a little disturbance that's currently coming off of the Yucatan Peninsula. National Hurricane Center does have it as a 40% chance of development into a tropical cyclone within the next 7 days. That cluster of rain that's currently in Florida eventually does push off to the Atlantic, and that has a 20% chance of developing into a tropical cyclone as well. Now, as of now, it does look like this low will form sometime this weekend into early next week. Remember, it's still the very, very beginning of hurricane season. We haven't had a named storm in the Atlantic just yet, but this is what one model is showing. This is Monday at 8 in the morning, and you see a lot of that Gulf moisture translating into rain, that rain making it into areas along the Gulf. But if that area of low pressure were to become well developed, it would be our first named storm of the season, and that would gain the name Alberto. We could see that moving towards the northwest and eventually those outer bands making it into areas of the Gulf. Right now, it does look like 3 to 5 inches of rain looking likely right along that coast along the Gulf, and areas for southern Florida, still an additional 3 to 5 inches of rain in the days to come, Cleo.
All right, Mariel, thank you.